Fuzion Flooring is a company known for manufacturing high-quality engineered hardwood flooring. This is something that is obvious to anyone who explores the product in this company's Casa Bella collection. The oak and hickory wood floors in this collection are noted for having, well, an urban theme. Each floor is 5 inches wide and has a wired brush surface texture, beautiful to the eye. The Casa Bella collection features 7 distinct products, which are Gothic, Henna, Meadows, Mink, Natural, Sienna, and Umbra. Now, if you're looking to enhance a space in your home or commercial space with quality hardwood floors, then you'll definitely want to check out this collection from Fuzion Flooring. Flooring Liquidators is your home for beautiful and elegant flooring products at great prices. We have 14 locations across Southern Ontario, so drop by one of your locations today to shop the Casa Bella collection of engineered hardwood floors.